to change Stripe account password. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Stripe account's password. In order to change your Stripe password, first of all, open any web browser on your device. Here I have launched my Chrome browser. Now once in the browser, in the search bar, type in stripe.com. This is the official URL of Stripe. Once I've entered this keyword, press on enter button to search for it. Now, within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Stripe. You ensure that you are logged into your account. Simply click on the sign in option at the top right and then use your credentials in order to log in or sign into your account. Once you are signed into your account, you will land on this home page. Here at the top right, you will be able to find different icons. Go ahead and click on this gear or the settings icon, and then a pop-up menu will appear. From here, you will need to select the settings option. Once you click on the settings, now you will be taken to the settings page. Here you will need to find the profile option and then click on it. Now in this page, under this user, you will be able to see your email, name and your password. Now in order to change it, you will need to click on the edit button located at the right side of the page. Once you click on it, now you'll be able to change your information. In the password, here you'll be able to see change password box. Click on it and here you will need to first verify yourself in order to make the changes. Click on the send verification button right here and then click on this open Gmail at the right side in order to open your Gmail inbox. Now here you will need to locate the email that you have received from Stripe. Double click on the message and then under it, here you'll be able to see verify identity button. Click on it and verify yourself. And after successful verification, simply click on the previous tab at the top left and then now in this page you will be able to see this pop-up. Here now, first of all, you will need to enter your old password in this first text box. Enter your old password and after that, you will need to now enter your new password in the second text box. Make sure to follow all the requirements presented below. After entering your new password, you may also click on the I button at the right side in order to reveal your password and check if you have entered it correctly. Now once after entering your password, click on this change password button at the right side and then wait for a while. After that, you will see you have successfully updated or changed your password of your Stripe account. Now, in order to sign into your account, you will need to use this newly updated password. So by following these steps, you should be able to change password on your Stripe account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.